IVC. The insert valve carrier enables safety valve replacement when the seal bore is eroded or scaled. It locks into the standard key profile and provides control line communication to the new valve. The IVC is run on a hydraulic setting tool with the new safety valve connected below. The tool lands on the shoulder below the key profile and the setting seal is engaged. The control line is flushed to remove debris from the setting area. Pressure increase initiates the setting tool. The keys are set, lifting the tool off the shoulder. Both elements and backups are set. The springs are compressed. The setting tool is released and pulled from the well. The telltale on the setting kit indicates successful installation of the IVC. The IVC is locked into the key profile and sealed around the control port. Pressure from the control line is diverted through the IVC and into the safety valve. The control line and safety valve are tested. A GS pulling tool is used to retrieve the IVC and safety valve. The release mechanism shears. The springs expand. The elements and backups retract. The keys retract. The IVC and valve are pulled from the well.